Sam, is the blue backpack safe?
Yes, Dad, it is right here.
Remember, my work laptop is inside that bag.
I know, Dad. And my favorite drawing book is inside too.
Next stop, Grant Street Station.
Oh, this is our stop. Let's go, Sam.
Whoa, look at that row.
Come on, Sam. Step off the bus.
Coming, Dad.
Okay, we are here. Now, give me the blue backpack, please.
Dad, I don't have it.
What do you mean? You have the backpack?
No, I looked at that bill and I forgot it. The bus! Dad, the bus is leaving! Wait, stop! Stop the bus! I am sorry, Dad. I am so sorry.
The final station at 8 o'clock tonight? Okay, thank you.
What did they say, Dad?
The bus goes across the whole city. It stops at the final bus depot at the end of the line.
It is my fault.
It was an accident, Sam. You are more important than my job. We are looking for a blue backpack from Bus 42. Bus 42 arrived earlier. No back was found.
My drawing book is gone forever.
The backpack is not important. We are together.
I love you, Dad.
I love you too, buddy.
Dad, look!
Sir, that is our bag. Many bags are blue.
There is a green sketchbook inside.
I wanted to keep it safe.
Thank you so much.
So, what are you drawing now?
A new story. The best day on Bus 42.
It was a good day, Sam. We found a big lesson together.